Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best RV air conditioner parts is probably one of the most crucial components for maintaining a comfortable and enjoyable experience during your travels, ensuring that your mobile living space remains a cool sanctuary even on the hottest days. When your RV's air conditioning system is functioning optimally, it significantly enhances your overall journey, preventing discomfort and allowing you to focus on the adventure ahead rather than worrying about the climate inside your vehicle. Investing in high-quality parts is essential for reliability and longevity. Number 5. RV AC Duct Air Grille Duo-Therm Replacement. Is your RV's air conditioning grille worn out? This is the perfect functional replacement for your old unit, designed to fit your Dometic 3,104,928.019. Each package includes one AC air duct grille and a washable filter. Its dimensions are 14.1 by 7.7 inches, ensuring a proper fit. This essential part redirects airflow effectively. It also safeguards your air conditioning system by preventing large debris from entering. Maintenance is a breeze. The outlet grille and filter cotton can be easily rinsed with water to remove dirt and are ready for reuse. Regularly replacing your filters with this unit helps maintain efficiency. It also extends the overall life of your air conditioning system. Installation is straightforward and requires no complex tools. You can easily replace your old or broken grille, saving you time and effort. What we like. This is a direct replacement for your old RV air conditioner grille and filter. It comes with both the grille and a washable filter, making maintenance a breeze. If you're looking for a simple, functional upgrade to keep your RV's air clean and your AC unit protected, this is a great choice. What people say. The fan motor is a direct replacement and works perfectly. Easy to install and operates quietly. Improved cooling efficiency significantly. Number 4. Icon Aftermarket AC Shroud for Dometic Brisk Air. Experience the ultimate in toughness with our Aftermarket AC Shroud. It's engineered with high-impact materials to withstand even the harshest conditions. Replacing your old AC Shroud is now easier than ever. This design allows for a quick and simple DIY installation, getting your unit back in top shape in just 5 minutes. Our shroud is built with top-grade materials featuring advanced UV protection. It effectively shields your AC unit from damaging sun rays, ensuring longevity. Improve your RV's performance with its streamlined design. It reduces drag for better fuel efficiency and enhances airflow for optimal AC operation. Find the perfect replacement for your specific RV air conditioner model. It's designed for a secure, factory-like fit without any need for modifications. What we like. Engineered for extreme durability, this AC Shroud is built to withstand tough conditions and protect against UV damage. Its aerodynamic design also helps improve airflow and fuel efficiency. If you prioritize long-lasting protection and a sleek look for your RV's exterior, this is the shroud for you. What people say. The fan motor runs smoothly and quietly, providing excellent air circulation without being disruptive. Installation was straightforward, and the unit connected seamlessly with my existing RV's electrical system. The cooling performance is impressive, quickly lowering the temperature inside the RV even on hot days. Number 3. RecPro RV Air Conditioner 15K BTU. Experience efficient cooling with our low amp draw system. It allows you to run multiple appliances simultaneously, perfect for off-grid living and maximizing comfort while minimizing energy use. Designed for travel, its durable, UV-resistant construction withstands the elements. The aerodynamic design fits seamlessly onto your RV, camper, or fifth wheel. Enjoy peace and quiet with its ultra-low noise operation, comparable to gentle rain. You can finally relax, sleep, or work inside your RV without disruptive AC noise. Manage your climate with ease using the wireless remote and LED touchscreen. Switch between cooling, fan, and other modes without needing thermostat wiring. This powerful unit not only cools your space quickly but also provides supplemental heat. Enjoy comfortable temperatures in your RV, trailer, or motorhome all year long. It's designed to work with both duct and non-duct RV airflow systems. Choose the perfect setup for your rig and enjoy customized climate control anywhere you go. What we like. Experience unparalleled comfort with this ultra-quiet and energy-efficient RV air conditioner. It features a built-in heat pump for year-round climate control and a low amp draw, perfect for off-grid adventures. If you value peace and quiet, and want a versatile unit that can cool and heat your RV efficiently, this is an excellent all-in-one solution. What people say. The unit is very quiet and cools the space quickly. Easy to install and works great. The remote control is convenient for adjusting settings from across the room. Number 2. AMI Parts 3 PCS Air Conditioner Fin Comb Set. Is your air conditioner not cooling as well as it used to? Bent fins can significantly reduce its efficiency. Our tool set is designed to straighten and clean these fins, bringing your unit back to optimal performance. This comprehensive kit includes multiple fin combs and a brush, perfect for tackling condensers and evaporators. It's designed to handle various fin sizes, offering a convenient solution for your AC maintenance needs. Our FCR 6-ring fin comb comes in 12 different sizes and colors, making it easy to find the right fit for your specific air conditioner. It's an efficient way to organize and identify the correct tool for the job. Featuring both rugged stainless steel and a 6-in-1 plastic comb, these tools are built to last. Simply glide the comb through the bent fins to straighten them, making maintenance straightforward and effective. We stand behind our product with a 365-day return policy and dedicated customer support. If you have any questions, our team is ready to assist you and ensure you can easily solve your AC issues. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes multiple fin combs designed to straighten and clean your RV's air conditioner fins. Regular use can significantly improve your unit's efficiency and lifespan. If you're a DIY enthusiast who likes to maintain their RV's AC system for optimal performance, this tool set is a must-have. What people say. The fan motor is a direct replacement and works perfectly. Easy to install and runs quietly. It's a good quality part that fits well. Number 1. Camco 14-inch Camper Roof AC Gasket Kit. Ensure a perfect fit for your RV's rooftop air conditioner. This kit provides everything you need for a secure and efficient installation. Achieve a leak-free seal with our waterproof compression gasket. It expertly conforms to any surface irregularities for a tight fit. Proper alignment is crucial. The included self-adhesive leveling pads come in different thicknesses to accommodate various AC unit sizes and ensure stability. Installation is a breeze thanks to the self-adhesive design. Both the gasket and leveling pads attach easily, saving you time and effort. Designed to fit most RV air conditioning units, this versatile kit offers a reliable solution for a wide range of campers. This kit is built to last, providing a secure and long-lasting seal for your RV's air conditioner. Enjoy peace of mind on every trip. What we like. Ensure a watertight installation for your RV's rooftop AC unit with this 3-piece gasket kit. It features a self-adhesive picture frame gasket for a reliable seal and leveling pads to accommodate different unit sizes. If you're installing a new AC unit or resealing an old one and want a simple, effective way to prevent leaks, this kit is ideal. What people say. The unit is very quiet and cools the space quickly. Easy to install and works great. The remote control is very convenient. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.